as we get set for this game.
Get some hits in this game early. Come on, drop the puck. We're ready to go.
Winger moves in to pick up the...
Alright, I'd like to thank all my viewers for watching. Let's go.
Zone carries it to Justin.
Yeah.
There's the wrist
Big
shot.
save.
Loose puck and he gains control of it. To Schofield.
Nice turnover, Schofield.
Really aggressive.
What a save.
To Hall. That one went wing to wing.
Come on, Schofield, you goof.
That's the offensive zone. Good opportunity here. He's got to behind the net. Oh, there's a shot at goal scoring area. Out to the blue line. Won't make it to the net. Bergeron. Off the wing, back into the net to Justin. Quick shot. Can't believe he missed that. What a scoring chance.
That was close. Good thing he missed the net, because I don't think I would have got it.
To Schofield. Big snapshot. There's a situation where it's the goaltender who comes up the winner.
Yeah, the
I was some confidence in
winning
him.
the battle.
That'll go a long way.
To the goal, though.
Good play. Brings it up. To Schofield. Kane. Looking around, decides to lug it into the zone. Good poke movement.
Come on, setter.
Good pass. He's got that up the wing.
Oh, Schofield, you goof.
For the opportunity, but Bill not close.
Might have flipped up on him. I mean, I can't imagine why he would have missed high.
Oh, jeez. Nice job, D.
Point.
Big save.
That's going to give us the whistle.
Look at that save, though. That was pretty good.
Whenever you have the chance to get the shot off, you try to make the goaltender work. He didn't here as this one goes wide.
No, I was talking about that breakaway save.
His numbers over these few games has been pretty good.
But then it showed the other one for some reason.
Respect for a guy like that. I mean, these aren't accidental shots that hit him. He's trying to get further.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, Chris. Stop giving the puck away.
To Justin.
Ooh,
really
deflection.
Bill, he can't get off the ice.
He's clearly injured and he doesn't want to...
Oh my god! Did you just see those passes?
Always want that first goal. It took some effort.
I'm pretty sure those were all computers too.
And they better just get working on a second one because that first one didn't come that easy.
That's actually insane. All their computers did that. Like, why can't our computers be that good? Yeah, I know. Like, ours have Down syndrome. Yes! Yeah! Good job.
Very opportune goal. That's going to tie it up.
Yep. Let's go. We're back in this, guys.
Kane. To Gilbert. Through center ice to Justin. Gets it down low. Good work. He got that stick on the puck.
Shoot it. Oh.
That one had goal marked all over.
I thought you were going to get the empty net. Well, he was on like the other side.
Nice quick snap. Got it on the stick. Trying to move it off the boards. Down low. Chance to score in that pass. Gilbert.
Nice turnover, buddy.
Swung back to the point. Just stood in front of that one. What a great play to block that shot.
Oh, God. Jeez, how many times did they get to shoot? It's so confusing when you guys block. When you block it, though, it's so confusing.
Tiny one for the face-off.
Because I think the puck's gonna come, and then it doesn't, so I'm looking for it, and then all of a sudden it just randomly goes to the other D, and then they shoot and score. That's how they always score from the point. It's annoying.
Outstanding save made on a big-time shot.
Yeah, I know. I tell them to stop scoring on me. That's rude. You're trying to shoot on me?
And that's the end of the first 20. After one, it is 2-1. You always hope you're going to get to see a hockey game like this more often than not. This is just a tremendous game.
Yeah, Gary, we talked about entertainment value. This has a little bit of everything.
Wow, they have 2 goals and 2 shots. I was drinking a slushie.
See whether or not we get anything more than we had in the first. We're underway here in the second period.
The cream soda.
Finds some room, skates it in, down low. There's a great scoring chance. Knocked away, and he's
What?
Going around.
What do you mean where?
Take a look at it.
From the store? Max? Oh my god, shut up.
Pass intercepted.
No.
To Schofield.
Because... No. I'm not
Schofield's
going.
got to come through here tonight at some point. He is too good to continue missing the way he's missed the net tonight. Risson not going to get a shot off on that one as it ends up being blocked unintentionally. Has it at the point.
Oh, he deflected that on me. That was scary. That was some risky business. Penalty? Yeah. That's what I thought.
Yeah, we've got a break here as we'll get a call.
Wait, you're getting one?
Schofield's going to go to the box. That's going
What?
He'll get two.
How did that ref not, or that goalie not get one?
Look, it says the goaltender has to be afforded the opportunity to make the save, and he wasn't on this play.
The goalie was in the don't touch zone, or whatever it's called.
That'll keep this offense going. He's got it. That one.
Let's go.
This one didn't
Come at me.
belong to a rough boy. They were ready.
Come at me, bro.
Almost as if there was one of those staged fights. I mean, you have to think these guys were talking really.
Oh, I thought I knocked him. Whoa, what is this? Both of us have, like, nothing left. That's kind of garbage.
We're not hearing a lot from the home folks on this battle, Bill. No, you know,
How did he win that?
Now just let the visiting goalie win the battle against the home guy.
Hamilton gets that one up and out. Power
What?
It's still up. Picks that one up in the defensive zone.
Yeah.
2-on-2 the other way. Big wrist
Big
shot.
save.
No D around, so he lets it go. To Richards. Sends it back. The pass off that wing goes to Sullivan. Gilbert.
Go Gilbert. Go Franklin.
Scoring chance. That's a tough angle to score from.
No, Franklin, not now.
That puck along that blue line.
Big save.
Finds a handle. Save with a blocker. Waits really fast.
Big save.
In front of the net. Great save.
Big save.
A one-timer that he got a lot of.
Wow, I actually robbed like 3 guys in a row there. How is that scaring you? I made 3 saves in a row.
The puck at his own end. Wants the clear. Kane. Good play to hold.
Yes! Yeah, Sutter.
He's got a 2-goal night as he puts it up on the wall.
The computer has 2 goals tonight. Wow, I'm impressed. He might have to get the other A.
That puck's gonna be
Yeah.
moved by the winger after he
Let's go, Chris. Go. Yes! That goalie is so bad. He's worse than me. This goalie is actually worse than me. Like, come on.
Sends that one up the middle to Hall. To Schofield. He's got a couple of
I thought maybe he just wasn't here, but I guess he's just really bad.
to have to extend that lead.
Oh my god!
Now we've got 3 on
Wow. Yeah, he's quite the tendy.
That's what they wanted with that last goal. They have stripped
He's quite the tendy.
but there's still a lot of time left.
And I think that's the enemy. Sometimes you can go soft with a big lead if you get.
And then I'll put ... and not me, by the way.
To the offensive end. To Justin. Lugs that one through center ice. Shoots. Blocker.
Because-
Save. Break pass. Front of the net. Breaks up the play in his own end. Up the wing to Sutter. To Schofield.
Let's see. Where?
Kane.
Ooh, big hit.
Collision takes place. What a shot.
Oh, humongous hit. And from a guy that doesn't usually
Oh.
dish it out.
Close one. Nice try.
His offensive numbers tonight are very good. He may need to add a little more to it, though.
Oh.
Everybody's pulling out.
That would have been a big snipe.
Now defensively, this game will belong to them.
Offensive rush, 3-on-2. That's the goal.
Big save.
Right there. Save.
Okay, the guys keep hitting me out of the way when I'm trying to stop the puck. Scoring drought, Junior.
Under 4 minutes remaining in our second period. Schofield's goal.
Let me at him. Let me at him.
The Schofield.
Chris, don't give the puck away. Thank you.
To Sutter.
Good job. I'm proud. Oh, I thought you were going to get decked.
Time shot.
Oh, I thought you had him.
Picks it up in the offensive end.
Snipe it from the blue line. Oh, that was close.
Loses possession of it.
I think you should have gone back and went to the
Big
blue
time
line.
battle down low. Those guys are going at it.
Oh, God, Chris.
He picks up the loose puck. They'll work from the point. Sometimes you got to use your whole body. That's a great play. He blocked that shot.
I told you I don't like when you guys block shots. It's confusing. Yeah, but it's just confusing because I don't know where the puck goes, and most of the time it ends up going to the other side of the ice.
Pick the part of hockey that you like.
Yeah, I
You
don't
want to
know.
find it so far in this game.
Great point. It is all there in front of us. I mean, the beauty
It's
of
not
the
bad.
sport on
Well, they have 2 goals on 11 shots, so I guess I'm doing better than before, but still not very good.
On the charge, 3-on-2. It's down low. Nice glove save. He's got that covered up. The whistle and a face-off. Off that face-off, tied up the D, and the puck's picked up by his winger. To Justin.
I have nice
Puck on that
equipment.
one as he knocked it away. Good poke check.
My equipment is legendary.
Easily handled by the goaltender. That's a mighty long shot.
One-timer.
Good one in that situation. Nice wrister.
No, it won't. Well, it'll help my goals against average. It won't help my save percentage, though.
To Justin. Snaps it. Puts the glove on that one, and that.
Okay, what is this? Get him out of there. Go after Drought Jr.
Third period of play as this one's moving along.
Drought Jr. keeps running
The
you.
last one scored in that second period. Put him up by 2. A lead they protected.
Oh, nice giveaway.
To Justin. Found a way.
Go after him. He keeps hacking at me after the whistle.
To Sutter.
Little scam.
Fired. He's looking for the hat trick. Turn that over.
Little scam.
Controlled here at the point.
I don't know.
To Bergeron.
What do you mean, how do I come up with it? It's just my name. It's my name for the little guy. Little scamp.
Into the middle to Gilbert. To Justin. Snap that one on net. There's a save on the long shot. To Hall.
Yeah, what the hell? He just hit the puck loose.
Evidence there. He knew where that thing was going and jumped right in to intercept.
Like, I didn't think you were allowed to do
Tough
that.
to score from
Ooh.
that angle. He'll move
Close.
himself. To
I thought I had that one.
Schofield. Takes that puck into the neutral zone up through the middle. Big opportunity.
Oh.
Chance to go.
How did that not go in?
No clear off the teammate. Off the blocker.
We're trying to set up our new Blu-ray player that we got for a bedroom,
To Gilbert.
and it's a Wi-Fi one, but it says no dongle is connected. To detect.
Gets down low. Teammate.
Hopefully when it's hot rain.
Picks it up.
Why are you videotaping me?
To Gilbert. Covered some ground. To Justin. Here's an offensive chance. 3-on-2. Oh, what a save made. Tremendous.
Big save. That was a pretty big save, eh?
Face-off circle tonight. He'll try and do it again here. To
Yeah,
Sutter.
it's pretty good.
Good check right there. He's not going to be able
It's
to.
like a mix of the Dr. Pepper and then the Sour Crush, so it's pretty
To
good.
Justin. To Kane. To Justin.
I'm not getting banana.
Pass right on the money from the wing to Justin. Got that.
Covered it.
Face-off coming. The big differences in this game right now. Team that can't seem to get it done.
You know what, Gary?
That's the Drought. You missed the net.
For one team, they've been that
You missed
they
it.
haven't been able to get it done. Just not their game.
So garbage. He's so...
Flag here in the third period.
He has the worst aim
In
ever.
the second period, the last one put up on the board, a 2-goal lead.
Freaking
Still there.
Drought Jr. is just going at our team.
Got the puck. Back up to that blue line.
Oh my god, that was terrible.
And that's his second of the night.
Okay. Let's just skip this because that was brutal. That was embarrassing. That was actually embarrassing.
To Justin.
I thought I was doing so good.
To
Oh,
Schofield.
what? What? What the hell?
Scoring opportunity tonight. Nice use of
Gilbert almost put that in his own net.
He's adjusted. This one almost over. Do you have a game-deciding play yet?
Yeah, I guess so.
Quick shot.
Oh, whoa, Chris. You scared me. I went to cover that. I thought you were the other team. I thought they were going to score. I was worried. Yes! Good job, Paul. I guess that's the clinching goal. I'm just going to try to shut the door for the rest of the game. Oh, they're going to leave. Quite the yummy slushy. Yeah, they left.